I'm finally back. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video I have the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G from OnePlus, co-developed with Hasselblad camera lenses. Ooh. And along with this purchase I did get these OnePlus Z Stephen Harrington edition buds, obviously OnePlus buds. These are a little funky, purple and green, I don't know, but I'll unbox these as well on this video to let you guys know. I got those for free, as I mentioned. Currently the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G, you can pick it up on, I think you can pick it up at T-Mobile. I picked it up from the OnePlus website at $1,069. It is a 12 gigs of RAM version and 256 gigabytes of storage. Yep. And I did pick up the mint green one because everybody had that shiny white silver looking one, and I'm not a fan of shiny stuff. I like matte colors, so I got the matte kind of mint green color here that they gave me. A couple specs, quick rundown. This does have a Snapdragon 888, the 888, Adreno 660, 5G chip. Obviously you are going to be able to get 5G. It has a 122K display, which is awesome. It's capable of all that good stuff, HDR and all that good stuff. It is a Gorilla Glass on the front. It is running Android 11, and it does have that new camera sensor from Sony, the IMX789. OnePlus has made this like all about the camera because it was co-developed with Hasselblad, and they made a big stink about it. So let's see if those cameras are any good. Let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Take a quick look at the phone and see what you get when you purchase your OnePlus device directly from OnePlus. By the way, they've always had this elongated box. Great boxing experience from OnePlus. I applaud them. So let's go and remove this. Ooh, nice. I don't know what that is right there, but check that out. Bam. It's like it's something. I don't know what it is, but it's something. Here is the phone itself. Let's go ahead and put that aside. We'll take a quick look at that. Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh. All your instructions, stickers. We get stickers. SIM ejection tool, a letter. Yeah, we do get stickers right here. All kinds of cool stuff. Do we get a case? Let's see. No case. We do not get a case this time around, but it's okay, because you know what we do get? A charging brick. We do get a charging brick. So it does have that power supply unit here along with the phone, and this is Warp Charge 65. Bam, look at that. Warp Charge 65. Type C to Type C cable also included in the box here. So they didn't go Apple's route. They gave us a power brick, which is awesome. Let's place this back. Let's take a quick look at the phone itself and see this thing. Look at this. Very thin. Ooh, nice. And it does come with a pre-installed screen protector, which is pretty cool of them. Feels nice in hand. Look at this mint green color. I'm gonna remove this sticker. But it does have an in-display fingerprint reader. Punch hole camera right there in the front. I do have the 7 Pro. I didn't get the 8. But let's do a comparison to the 7 Pro. Almost identical in size and almost feels the same. The screen is curved, but not as curved as the 7 Pro. I don't know if you can tell. Looks very good actually. Feels good in hand. I like this matted color here. As you can tell, the matted blue over here, the nebula blue in the 7 Pro, and then the mint green in the 9 Pro, and it looks good. That camera hump's not that big. I've seen bigger, but take a quicker look. On the bottom, you do have your SIM injection tool tray there. Type-C power, speaker, mic. On the top, mic. On the left side of the phone, just your volume rocker right there. The right side of the phone, you do have your power button and your mute slider there. And that's about it. In the back, you have that Hasselblad cameras, all 4 of them. Mic, flash, and some other technologies there. But the phone looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy up and take a look at the boot up animation. While we wait for that, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these right here. So no new boot up animations, your typical OnePlus Oxygen OS animation there, and it booted up pretty fast. So it is going to be a fast device since it's rocking the Snapdragon 888. Now these are the OnePlus Bud Z's, Stephen Harrington edition. I don't know how much these cost, but I did get these free with the purchase of the phone. They're kind of cool looking, I guess. Some of the features it has bass boost, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistant, comfortable and cool design, and seamless connection. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at these. I think they're like 60, 80 bucks. A little south of 100 if I'm not mistaken. Very, very cool cartoonish design. I'm guessing he's an artist. OnePlus, look at that. OnePlus, pretty cool case here. I think my daughter's gonna like this case. And the earbuds are pretty cool themselves. Check these out. Nice offset in colors, and the case is magnetic, so they do kind of magnetically just go in there and start charging. Very, very nice case. It's pretty cool actually. Nice. Let's go ahead and put that aside. Even the case, look at the, what else we have in this box? Nothing. Do we get a charging cable? Buds for life. Oh, you do. You get accessories. Let's see. Oh, we do get a charging cable. Nice. They give you all kinds of stuff. You got your manuals there. What do we got here? What do we got? You got a charging cable. Some extra earbuds. A charging cable. Not bad at all, OnePlus. Not bad at all. This is a nice charging cable right there. USB to Type-C. Look at that. Boom, OnePlus sign right there. Looks good. Pretty cool. Put these back. Never settle. You got it? Capiche? Capiche. All right, cool. All right, so we have the phone boot up here. We're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to see me set this up, so I'll catch you guys on the next video. I did pick up some accessories for this phone. I got the official case, I got some screen protectors, and I got some other third-party cases for the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. So make sure you subscribe and like this video so you know when more awesome videos on the OnePlus 9 Pro G drop. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.